Hey guys, I'm Shudal again with a brand new video, and today I'm gonna tell you 5 tricks that you should do to make your Android run really fast. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I saw a lot of guys just having a mid-end phone, but they want an 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage to make their Android run really fast. But that's not the thing. If you are just doing these unusual things, these freaking stupid things, then I think a flagship phone will be also really in a bad condition. So these are the 5 tricks or 5 things that you should not do to make your Android slow. So these are the 5 things that you should keep in mind to make your Android run really fast. So the first trick is that you should make sure that your Android is up to date. I actually just noticed a lot of guys just doing that particular thing not at all. So what they think is that updates are gonna steal their Android mobile data, but it's not like that. You have Jio, Airtel and all that things that is gonna provide you 1.5GB per day. So what are you using that for? Just watching YouTube or just watching something else that is really entertaining? But if you do those updates, then I think your Android run will be fixing that bugs that are just lagging your phone. So if you just don't update your phone from now, please update your phone. So second tip is that clean up your home screen. Yeah, if you want to make your Android look really amazing, you want some things on the home screen, just like I did in the customization video. But if your phone is slow with those things, you should never do all these things, because you just don't need widgets on your home screen. You don't need that unusual apps that are installed on your home screen. You don't want a live wallpaper. You should use a static wallpaper. That is a really good thing. And I think if you don't use all those things, then it's really bad and your phone will be lagging a lot. Now the third trick is to uninstall the unused apps. So if you see, we have in all the phones, if you're using any kind of phone, we somehow have a particular kind of apps that are not of use, and through that apps your phone is lagging a lot because that is consuming your storage. So what you have to do is to install a really simple app from the Play Store, that is from the Google. And what you have to do is to type in files go, and through that you can just see what apps don't use in a lot of times. So you could just install them whenever it is needed, and it's gonna be working really fast, and your Android will be a little bit more fast and your storage will be good. So the fourth trick is that you should turn off or reduce the animations of your Android phone. Whenever you just go to recent apps, it is gonna show you some of the animations to make your Android look cool. If you go to home screen too of your Android phone, it's gonna do it too. So what you have to do is just go to developer option. If you don't know how to enable a developer option, just go on the about phone, tap 7 times on the build number, and your developer option will be ready. Now you have enabled the developer option. What you have to do is to go to transaction and animations, window animation. That will be like that only. And as you see in the video right now, you could just go and just scale up to 0.5x animation. That's gonna fasten your animation and there will be no kind of animation. Or if you want no animation, that's gonna be good. If your phone supports no animation, you just do it. And if you have that lowest, fastest and that resolution, or I can say the window animation, then I think that's gonna be a good thing. So the fifth trick that you could do is to clear up your cache memory. I didn't see anyone just doing that because they don't think that there is something known as cache memory. So what you have to do is to go in the app settings or apps and just go and remove all the cache of some apps that you don't use a lot, and that's gonna be releasing your cache and making your Android a little bit more faster than it is before, because it's gonna release some storage from your mobile phone and it's gonna make your Android phone really fast. So there is a sixth trick or a pro trick that I'm gonna tell you right now, is that whenever all these 5 tricks doesn't work, the only option with you remains is to factory reset your phone, because that's gonna work really well. And you should have to keep the backups of your contacts, you should have to keep your backups of the accounts and all that, and then reset your factory, means your phone, and it's gonna work really good. And after you factory reset your phone, then it's gonna work really fast and it's gonna be like new one. So these all are the 6, or I can say 5 tricks that you should do with your phone to make your Android a little bit more faster than it is right now. So that's all for today. Keep watching my channel. Also don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos so that I get motivation from your support. And that's it for me today. See you next time.
Make 'em spicy, Papa.